past, don't wanna last. In fact, your present's a present that's mine, gift wrapped. All my gift wrapped. Body hourglass, my skin color sexy. Wonder where your is. Penny for your thoughts, give a top to the classes. Private lessons, a little fire and compassion. Just you coming, baby. Under, baby, love it, baby. 100 times, 100, baby. Put it in a bag, no Santa. Shake it like a red nose, ain't no prancer. Do it, do it, do it. Fast, faster. Do it, do it, do it. Fast, faster. A great gift giver, put it on center. A great gift giver. Bring it, bring it, bring it. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Bless you, blessing me. You are a great gift giver. Do a little quicker. Gift giver, gift giver. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Great gift giver, gift giver. Give me your soul, body, mind. Give me what's yours. Keep mine. Get it, shawty. You know you want me, don't you lie. You know you want me. Body on God, it's skin color. Yes, please think outside the box for the box. You always give me what I want. I'ma roll it up cause I'm blunt. How you want, just you coming, baby. Under, baby, love it, baby. 100 times, 100, baby. Put it in a bag, no Santa. Shake it like a red nose, ain't no prancer. Do it, do it, do it. Fast, faster. Do it, do it, do it. Fast, faster. A great gift giver, put it on center. A great gift giver. Bring it, bring it, bring it. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Bless you, blessing me. You are a great gift giver. Do a little quicker. Gift giver, gift giver. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Great gift giver, gift giver. Don't you see I want it, babe? Don't you see I need it, need it? Don't you keep me waiting, babe? Don't you see I'm waiting, boy? I know you see it. Put it on me for the one time. One time. Put it on center. A great gift giver. Bring it, bring it, bring it. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Bless you, blessing me. You are a great gift giver. Do a little quicker. Gift giver, gift giver. Nasty, you a little naughty. Great gift giver, gift giver. Great gift giver. Put it on center. A great gift giver. Bring it, bring it, bring it. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Bless you, blessing me. You are a great gift giver. Do a little quicker. Gift giver, gift giver. You a little nasty, you a little naughty. Great gift giver, gift giver. I like Kiss me day after day. I like the way you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. You do. Lip to lip, grab my neck and hips like when you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me, kiss me. Keep it simple, stupid. That's all you gotta do. We been hit by Cupid. Tell me what you tryna do. Cause you know he wanna feel all up on me, yeah. And you know I wanna feel all up on him too. So you know we gonna do all of that times two. Just say the word. Count down like 3, 2, 1. Give all these lips and some. I won't be stingy. Give you both sets. Pucker up and you won't forget. Like whoa, whoa, whoa. Had it before, whoa, whoa. And I just want it again. I just want it again. I want you to kiss me day after day. I like the way you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. You do. Lip to lip, grab my neck and hips like when you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me, kiss me. It takes two to get in the mood. Oh yeah. Waiting to put lips on you. Put a rush on it coming. Boy, stop playing with it. Stop playing with me. Go super sane with it. Stay with me. Oh, lip blocking. Clock is tick-tocking. Ready, set, go live. 1, 2, 3. Save all your best for me. Paying attention when you do it. Giving my love for free. And I'm like, whoa, you if you let me. Don't be scary, no, don't be scary. I might just sprinkle the on you. We gon' see, it's dependent on you. I think we just do what you gon' do. Don't be scary, push up on it, cause I know you wanna. Day after day, I like the way you know you wanna. Naked, yeah, sideways. Know you wanna. Kiss me, kiss me. Like when you kiss me. Like when you kiss me. Like when you kiss me. Who you with or you fine? You got time, don't say no. Do you got some friends to go along with mine? Don't say no. No, you like it, smiley, say it so. No, you like it, so come slide over here. Who you with or you fine? You got time, don't say no. Do you got some friends to go along with mine? Don't say no. No, you like it, smiley, say it so. No, you like it, so come slide over here. Pull up on you, baby, like aloha. Always with my old squad. I'm just trying to know you. Roll the doja, is you coming over? Is it in the plan? Promise me that your friends go woo-woo. Show me, baby, what them lips do. I heard you got a potty mouth. I'll show you what these hips do. Don't care about a body count. Meet me in the lobby. Working like Pilates every Friday if you want to. Who you with or you fine? You got time, don't say no. Do you got some friends to go along with mine? Don't say no. No, you like it, smiley, say it so. No, you like it, so come slide over here. Who you with or you fine? You got time, don't say no. Do you got some friends to go along with mine? Don't say no. No, you like it, smiley, say it so. No, you like it, so come slide over here. You came to your senses. You and you like a senses. Yeah, I'm coming through is the sentence.
You guys, I know it cannot only be me who struggles so much with cleaning and wanting to clean, but I feel like since it is spring, we need to get our things together, get our lives together, especially when it comes to cleaning and those areas that we normally tend to forget. So for me, that would be like my rugs. I don't have like an actual vacuum for my rugs. I have like a RoboVac, which is all fine, but when I really want to get into the nitty-gritty of my rugs, that is something that I often put off. So I'm making sure that that is on my to-do list to get done to start off my spring cleaning. Something else that I do recommend is, of course, going through all of the high traffic areas, like the surfaces in your apartment or your space or your room that might pick up a lot of like dirt and dust that you might always overlook. So for me, that would be my entryway. That is something that I need to like wipe down, and that is something that I know I tend to forget when it comes to cleaning. Something else that has been really inspiring me is this declutter workbook. So it is this little workbook that I've created and that is available. You can go ahead and check it down below. So it is this fun little workbook that is going to hopefully help you and inspire you to start cleaning and start your spring cleaning journey. So it is a declutter workbook, and I basically have things to help you get started, what you should have in your cleaning caddy, 10-minute tidy tips. So first up, to get started when it comes to cleaning is to create a clear vision. Create a vision of why you want to maintain a clean and clutter-free home. What do you want for your home? What do you want for your life? Decide what you want to achieve by decluttering, and this will help you to stay motivated and focused. And then you want to take it step by step. Don't try to do everything all at once. Start with a small area and then work your way around. Then you want to sort items into categories, get your materials ready. So that would be like your cleaning caddy. And then of course, take your time from room to room as you are cleaning. It also has so many tips when it comes to figuring out your clutter situation and how to help you declutter. It also gives you an idea of 100 items to declutter, which I think is really, really good. And then a room by room basis of how to clean and declutter, and then you can go ahead and just check things off as you accomplish it. And I think that this is like a great little workbook that you can have on your iPad or you can print, and then it can kind of help you go through each room by room to keep you inspired and motivated. This is perfect, especially if you don't know where to start and you just end up procrastinating because you're just feeling so overwhelmed. But by tackling it room by room and having like a checklist and a guide, it can help you so much to start your spring cleaning and get that inspiration that you need. Because trust me when I say I am right there with you when it comes to cleaning, which is why I wanted to create something that we can all feel motivated and inspired by, and kind of give you a guideline on how to tackle spring cleaning, especially if you're like me and you struggle so much with cleaning. Because like I said, you guys, I'm not the best at it. I just struggle to find motivation. What helps me a lot though is putting on a YouTube video in the background and just getting like things done while listening to a video. Even if it is something as simple as washing the dishes or something like that, I have a YouTube video running in the background, like a vlog or something like that, and that really helps me with my cleaning. So I will have this workbook link down below if you'd like to check it out and kind of use it as a guideline to go through your house and your apartment and your space and help you declutter. It is less than $5 and it has all of these really lovely inspirational pieces that you can go through and help you with your spring cleaning.
Know you like it, smiley says so. Know you like it, so come slide over here. Pull up on you, baby, like aloha. Always with my old squad. I'm just trying to know you. For the doja, is you coming over? Is it in the plan? Promise me that your friends go woo woo. Show me, baby, what them lips do. I heard you got a potty mouth. I'll show you what these hips do. Don't care about a body count. Meet me in the lobby. Working like Pilates every Friday if you want to.
Book also has a 30-day challenge to help you declutter, so you can go through it day by day if you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed when it comes to your space and not knowing where to start when it comes to spring cleaning, or in general just feeling organized and getting your life together. For me, I will be thrifting some of the items that I no longer want, so I'm kind of like putting it aside, especially clothes that I no longer wear, books that I'm not going to be reading, and I'm just kind of piling it up to get myself ready to donate it and just thrift it when that time comes.
Gemini, born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found, too young for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm is...
You guys, oh my gosh, I've really been into my book lover era. If you don't want to watch this part, you can always skip through to a next chapter of this video if you'd like to skip it. I have started back reading, and March has been a month where I've been reading so much, and I can't wait to actually continue it into the rest of the year. I wanted to share with you 3 fun books that I think will be really fun, especially in spring. The weather is now getting really nice, so you can go outside on a blanket, have a picnic and read a good book, or go to the beach, or just do something fun like that and read outside and outdoors. And you guys, that has been life-changing for me. So one of my first books that I've read is In 5 Years. This is such a nice read. You are literally going to be thrown for a loop by the time you get down into the book. It is such a fun book. It's a really light read, but I would say it has some like things that will make you really stop and think. And then I have these 2 books over here. I love the colors of it. Obviously, pink books. We are living for all things pink. I finished this last night. It was such a good read. It's so funny. It has like a good level of spice midway to the end of the book. So this is like a Desi type story. So of course, if you are from like an Indian background, this is going to be so funny for you. If you loved Never Have I Ever on Netflix, you are going to love this book. So this book I'm reading is Red, White and Royal Blue. I heard that this was really good, and I think there's also like some sort of movie or series on this, which makes it really interesting and fun. I'm really loving light, funny romance novels like these. Nothing heavy, nothing like non-fiction. I'm just loving these kinds of light novels right now, and I think it is perfect for spring. You can literally, like I said, get lost outside and do something fun while reading your book and really just switch things up for the springtime. I will have these books linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Just really fun, light romance novel type books. And of course they're pink, so I am just here for it even more. This year I really wanted to do more hobbies, so I did do like a puzzle, which I was really excited about because that was on my list of goals for 2024, and I did build a 500-piece puzzle and it came out really good. My next hobby, my next thing that I want to try is embroidery, so I thought that this might be a perfect hobby for spring, something to do, and my pattern. I'm just so new at this. I did do embroidery when I was younger, but I just don't know what might happen now, so it's getting me really nervous, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm doing this little pattern here. It is this floral pattern. So the most that I got so far done was putting it inside of my embroidery hoop. Let me open it. Okay, so this is how my pattern looks right now. It is like in the embroidery hoop situation, and this really, I'm not gonna lie, this was hard for me to get inside here. I was just not familiar with it and I had to watch a video, and in fact I will be going on YouTube to watch some tutorials on how to do the stitching, because the embroidery kit comes with like a sheet of paper where you have like all of the different types of stitches that you need, and then it has how to do it. But obviously we're in an age where we can find anything on YouTube, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and look at some of these. So the kit also came with all of these embroidery thread, so this is basically the guideline. Oh my god, hi Coco. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and match the pattern to the thread that was given, and hopefully I can get this through as like my hobby for spring. I will have this link down below. You can get it on Amazon. They have tons of different types of embroidery ones, but I did get a cat one. But I felt like if florals were just completely appropriate for spring, because obviously things are going to be blooming and flowers are going to be everywhere, but I'm nervous to begin, you guys. So wish me luck, and hopefully you have an update on this in one of my future videos. I said this in my 2024 goals video, I think, and that was when I started to think about how fast time was flying. I just don't do as much of the things that I did when I was younger, like painting and building puzzles and crafting. So that's why I just wanted to try something new, and I've been seeing embroidery everywhere, so it's kind of one of those things that are just coming back up and that people are really loving again. Coco, mommy is working. But anyway, I am gonna be trying this and letting you guys know how it goes.
Couldn't see it if you tried. It's so neatly wrapped inside. She's just like her mother's mother. A hit strong, hit first stab. Her daughter floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night.
Okay, so we would 100% need to take a rain check on this, because there is no way I was able to thread that needle, and I literally broke the needle threader that I watched a tutorial on how to thread. Like, look, I literally broke it off, which is just wild. I'm going to be needing to get like a bigger embroidery needle itself to make this process so much easier. So I will get one of those sometime and then get back to this, because we will be getting nowhere if I try to do this today.